Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Habaya dai bat kejing ya kejaput habadeng kejela Asam bat kejela Meghalaya nakaliang uba shanbor ulaong ba kadai ka kamram jong sorkar jela ban pha da kipulit sa ki khaput ban pahara bat ban yada ya ki pajba jong kejela bat ban umailat ya kipulit jong kawaipat kejela bakin wantur cha uput usam jong kejela Meghalaya susu ulaong ba ngilayoi ya kejing slur jong ki pajba kamizoram kabayang persya ya kejingwan kenturput jong kejela Asam kadai ka kamram jungiro banyada ya uput usam kamden syu ban sulet jadi sya ban syu ya kren hanrai ngidai banyada ki pajba jong kejela lada ki nongchun kiwan bantur sya kaying jongpi ngihab banyada ya lade bat ya kaying kasem kadai lu kumju habayadai bat kejingwan kenturput jong kiweipat ngihaban penon kam da kipulit banyada ya ki pajba kamtam ha ki kaput susu nagaliang ba shanbor ula ongro ba ha kejing yo i jong u ula yo i ba ki pajba ha kejela jungi kitur syakmat kan ba kipulit kidon syadin kumbajia ha ki weipat kijela ha ka ba kipulit kidon syakmat banyada ya o pajba kaladai ka kamram jong kipulit jong kejela ba kindon syakmat ban yada ya upajba bandon syadin bat pha ya upajba bantur syakmat
boundary dispute because these are all long pending issues more than 50 years all these issues very crucial issue boundary dispute ILP then this inclusion of Khasi Garo language. And you will see many political parties also they have given public commitment even they have inserted in their own manifesto these issues that if we come to power then we will solve but no more. Yes, no party can solve it until now. So we have to post-mortem what is the problem here. So that's why I will along with this MDA government together with the Chief Minister, we have to work together to protect our people. For example, you have seen the guts of the people of Mizoram because they love the identity. It really proves public and police together they protect their people. And this MP, I remember that MP from Mizoram, after coming from Parliament, he said that this time we have killed only 5. Next time if they come, we will kill them all. So this spirit should be there with us. We have to change here also, public and police also. If these people of Assam, they keep on harassing our people in the border area. So the time has arrived not only to talk in the table, take tea, finish, only take tea. It ends there only. We have to react. We have to act at the spot only.
Violence.
Violence you have to protect. If the enemy comes to your house and attack you and your wife and children, you have to. You also have to attack self-defense. The same thing. It should be done in our border also.
But that's not legal.
If it is legal or not legal, if an enemy comes to your house to steal or to rob your house, you have to protect yourself. Whether it's legal or illegal, but you have to protect. I'm not saying this is an example that we should have a spirit to protect our people. We have to utilize our force. The police are there. We have to utilize our force to protect our people. The police should go in the front to talk with the Assam police, like what we have seen regularly from time to time. The police are behind and the civilians are in the front. So the higher ups also they should give the order that the police should be in the front to protect this line of control. They should not cross the line of control. And And the best solution, what I feel is that, yes, to bring it to the negotiation in the form of meeting also, it is necessary, what was happening. So both the leaders of the state, both the government from Assam and Meghalaya also, for this long pending issue, again and again we have to sit. I'm trying my level best, whether we get or we don't get, but I'm trying my level best. Yeah, the file has gone to the secretary of the defense ministry. She communicated us, but due to this lockdown we cannot go. So next month I'm going again to pursue with all these things, to follow up all these issues.